Using FMEA to prepare for emergency maintenance. No amount of maintenance will totally eliminate failure. The best you can do is plan for high-risk, high-impact breakdowns so your team can fix them in 1 hour instead of 2. An FMEA is a valuable tool for putting these emergency measures in place. Start by looking at failures that have the biggest impact and happen most often. From this list, pick out failure modes that are hard to detect. You'll end up with failure modes that are hard to spot and cause the biggest mess. Build an emergency response plan for these breakdowns.